Hi guys, Hamza here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable people tweet sections of your blog posts. Something like this. So this is a blog, but within the blog post, someone can tweet part of a blog post that you choose for them. We are going to make this blog post which doesn't have any tweet within. And what we are going to do is very simple, is to make part of what is within here tweetable. So what we have to do is very simple. You need a plugin that enables you to activate the tweet feature within the blog posts. And in this case, I recommend a plugin called Better Click to Tweet. So when that is done, you just have to go into the blog post where we are going to add our tweets. We are going to add after the first option using Google. Maybe we are going to make this last paragraph a tweet. So what we just have to do is come here into that blog post, navigate to where you want to add the click, which we decided should be something like this, right? You will need to set a document. You'll need exactly, so you copy that because you already added that plugin, and what you have to do next is just to click on this icon. It says Better Click to Tweet shortcode generator. So just click on that, and then after copying that paragraph, you paste whatever you copied in that paragraph. That is exactly what you want to make tweetable. So it starts with a shortcode and ends with that shortcode. This is your Twitter handle that is appearing here. So when we say update, after updating, in case you have a caching plugin installed, I recommend you clear or delete the cache. Otherwise, without the caching plugin, you just go to the preview of that blog post, or you refresh whatever you have. So I prefer to use the preview option. After the first one, and boom, by someone clicking on this tweet, it will be published on their Twitter handle, and it will have the content they are referencing to, and when they click on that tweet, it will redirect them back to that blog post. So guys, that is also one other way you can drive traffic from Twitter, by making part of your content tweetable, so that when your visitor tweets part of your content, it will appear on their Twitter feed, and if their followers are also interested in that topic, they'll just click on that tweet and they will be brought back to this content. I hope you find this tutorial handy. See you in my next video.